So I'm just up, I've just showered. I'm thinking I might hit up Lunan Bay this morning. High tide's not till like 10 o'clock, so I'm just waiting to get some breakfast and I'm waiting to head through. So it's a quick breakfast check-in. We've got some granola, blueberries, grapes, kiwi, vanilla yogurt, just making a coffee as well. And then we'll be fueled up and good to go check out the waves. But honestly, lovely, lovely morning. Blue skies, it makes all the difference when you go out. Right, board's in the car, wetsuit's packed up, car's on. Let's get through to Lunan and see what it's looking like. So I've just made it to Lunan. We're walking up the dunes right now, wait to check the waves. They're breaking nice. Oh my god. Okay, well I'm going out. I'm gonna put the wetsuit on and I'll see you when we're... My bro's here who I've met out surfing before here, so at least I know he's going out. So should be good, I'm looking forward to it. Sun's shining. So nice. Beautiful morning. Stunning. Looking forward to this. released me out of the water, I was absolutely humbling, like, just got to dry off the surfboard. But honestly, those waves were massive. Like, so many times I was in the washing machine, like, absolutely getting tumbled about. But I caught a couple, which is all that matters. But the other boy was shredded. He said he almost got a barrel, so it shows you how big they were. But yeah, I'm going to get dressed, get the board dried up and head home. But honestly, that was class. It was a good morning. My bruise is looking minging now. My arms, I think I wasn't catching as many because I couldn't paddle as hard because of my arm. He said, the boy was telling me you just got to paddle really hard. But I was struggling a bit. But it was a really good morning sesh. Very happy with that. So I'm going to head back home. But till next time, hopefully we get some more waves. But the two I caught were pretty good. And there'll definitely be some absolute good footage of me absolutely wiping out today, so enjoy that. So see you later.